Good Thursday afternoon. It is July 24th, almost at the 4 o'clock hour. We have an update from the National Hurricane Center regarding the yellow blob in the Gulf. Let's get into it. Now yesterday, if you remember, the National Hurricane Center had the center marked way to the east, and I was like, I wonder why it's not closer to Louisiana, because on the radar, that's where I was seeing all that spinach. This afternoon, they have moved that X to right in the area where I said I thought they would. Now the system still is only at a 10% chance of development over the next 48 hours and a 10% chance over the next 7 days, and it'll be history by then. So what I'm seeing that they were saying that it was going to go towards the center of the Gulf where all those waters are really warm, but it seems like how Invest 93L just kind of rode the coast. That's what this is doing as well, but it's nowhere near as formed as that system was the first time it came through. However, the National Hurricane Center does say regardless of tropical cyclone formation, locally heavy rainfall is possible for portions of the northern Gulf Coast through this weekend. As you can see, comparatively to yesterday, this thing, I mean, it's got, some stuff going on, but it's nowhere near how it was. They were saying that it was going to move across here and kind of come down here, but like I was noticing yesterday, what I saw as the rotation was kind of up here more, so it's just not really getting going. Here's the true color radar. That was a 2 o'clock update. I would say the center now, right here where all this movement is, I'd say the center is somewhere. Center, I'm saying so very loosely. Don't take this as me saying this is a formed system. It is not. Would be right in that general area. I do want to look at the moisture in it real quick though. Hold on. This is that water vapor. Like we said, maybe the center somewhere in here. Maybe right here now. Most of the water with it is off the coast. Y'all might be getting some pretty heavy rains. Let's check the radar down there too. Yeah, y'all are getting some showers and thunderstorms. Baton Rouge, St. Charles. Looks like it's already moved through like St. Mary area. So Texas, all this is going to keep pushing. I say all this, as I said very loosely, it is a rain system. Probably somewhere along here, obviously. Even tomorrow, for excessive rainfall, it's only a marginal, which is at least 5% risk for heavy rain. This is Saturday, still at a marginal risk for heavy rains in eastern Florida, Louisiana, Mississippi, maybe a teensy-tiny sliver of Alabama. I'm half blind, I can't see. Either way, nothing to write home about as of right now with this system as it continues to trek to the west. Obviously, rainfall, we've seen what a little bit of rain can